Hi, good morning. I'd like to show you the program tiles that I have added to the
Cardio.
software. These are 5 individual tiles that actually provide access to the program's interface instead of having to use the menu system. So you see the 3 previous files used list. Okay, well, it would be nice if the user, the disabled person, could access that list so they could have up to 4 files at their hand easily. So if I go to the files tile, that will open up the file selection form. Okay, the last 4 files that have been opened now appears on this form, and these buttons are can be used with the dwell function. So if we want to open up the Phrasebook large file, we just hover over that, and now you see that
Tiles.
that file is open. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to this particular file does not have those tiles available. So I'm going to go back to the doctor visits tile, list,
Tiles.
go back to cardio.
Cardio.
Now these tiles can be located anywhere on any one of the 7 tabs that you have available to you, but this way it adds to the number of files that's immediately available to the person using the software. You can also get to the settings. The thing is the settings form really is not set up to be used with the dwell function, so you won't have as much access here, but if you do have a mouse you can click on things and change things here, but you will not be able to just dwell on a item in this form. So the forms, I'm working on it, but all of the features of the software may not be available to the person that's using the dwell feature. I'll do as much as I can because I want people to be able, as many people as possible, to be able to use it. Okay. You also have the user's manual, which is the PDF file, and that should open up here in a second. Okay, so the person can look at this file and see how the software works. I need to update this. Okay, we also have access to the dictionary. I'm working on this, so this is going to be more friendly to the dwell users when I'm done with it, but you'll be able to use this going from the alphabet tab right to this form and use it to find words. So this is a work in progress here. Okay, and then the last one that you haven't seen is editing the tiles. Okay, again, everything is available using the mouse, but it's not totally enabled to use the dwell function, so it won't be as easy to use for somebody that is very handicapped and can only look at a tile. So, but it is available to anybody that has a mouse or can type onto a keyboard. So those are 5 specific file types or tile types that allow you program access. Now the only thing you do
Database.
is in the database, I thought it was 265 or so. So I'm looking, okay, so 265, if you, the phrase type is program, and you have to use this phrase, program show settings, program show manual, program show dictionary, program show select file, program edit tiles. This has to be inserted into the phrase column in that exact order to make that tile a program tile. You can go over here and you can set any graphic file for that tile, but I tried to choose some tiles that seem to make sense. So the whole idea is to open up the world for the person that can only look at a tile and use the program as much as possible. And I see that this area
Tiles.
has opened up their world
Cardio.
4 times bigger than what it once was. So thank you for your attention. I appreciate it.